30 massive audio Hippo XL 84. Ran it in Base Wars. They did a 161.5.
There we go. Oh yeah, congrats, 61. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Nice. I like the doors.
Thank you.
Simple but works. Like it. Nice job. Whew. So, could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
My name is Jeremy Roller, and there is 30 massive audio Hippo XL 84.
I did not expect that. When you come from in the back trunk and you come in here like he's got a wall, but I don't know what, and then you see this many subs.
Yep.
Wow. So what made you do this instead of just a big cone area sub?
It's equivalent to 8 15s, and you're not going to fit that in here.
No, I don't think you would. Not
No.
efficiently, no. Wow, but you fit this in here.
And
Wow.
2.8 can grab the tension.
It does, man. Very nice. Are you on Team Massive, I'm gonna guess, with this
Yes,
many
sir.
subs? All right. And how did you, so just for curious, how did you get your subs to wire, since some of them are inverted and others are mounted regular? How did you do that?
A lot of fancy wiring.
A lot of wire? Is it like
There's actually, you know, the ground bus bars for like a home breaker panel?
Yeah, I've seen that.
That's what we used in the back of the wall.
There you go.
There's 15 to one
Wow.
side, 15 to the other.
Oh man, I'm excited to hear this. All right. So what's your electrical like in your alternator?
There's 3 Brand X 320s and then 6 of Underground Power LTO lithium.
All right. What, have you done any kind of meteor scores? I'll guess the 58, 59 or more? Or?
Actually, we just ran it in Base Wars. They did a 161.5.
There we go. Oh yeah, congrats. 61s out of just some small little subs, a lot of them of course. Awesome, congrats. I appreciate the demo, very unique. And Jeremy on Team Massive Audio.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. What was the number quantity, one more time?
30.
30, wow, 30.
Ready?
Yes sir, I'm ready to hear it then. Woo.
Fucker like I met you. Okay.
crazy how that many little subs can do that much pressure. That's awesome, man. What have you done? Any kind of meteor scores? I'll guess the 58, 59 or more. Or?
Actually, we just ran it in Base Wars. They did a 161.5.
There we go. Oh yeah! Congrats, 61s out of just some small little subs. A lot of them, of course. Awesome. Congrats. I appreciate the demo. Very unique. And Jeremy on Team Massive Audio.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. What was the number quantity? One more time.
30.
30. Wow, 30 massives. Awesome. Appreciate the demo, man.
Thank you.
I love it.
Have a good one.
You too, man.
Fucking like I missed her. Life is the bitch, and death is her sister. Sleep is the cousin. What a fucking family picture. Couldn't blame Timmy. Talking to myself because I am my own concern. Like I missed her. Life is the bitch, and death is her sister. Sleep is the cousin. What a fucking family picture. So I couldn't blame Timmy. Talking to myself because I am
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.